What's going on, legend? I've got a bit of time to do some work on my bike. I'm not sure if everyone's heard about it. Unfortunately, there was a bit of an accident around at the mate's shop, and I'm currently without a rear wheel. If you know what I'm talking about, Featherstone Motorsport, there was a fire, and mate, the poor blokes lost everything. So yeah, shout out to Featho, mate. Hope you get back on your feet ASAP, and yeah, just mate, no words really for what happened. It's just insane. Just accidents happen, and what do? Yeah, you move on and you grow from there. So if you know Featho, there's a GoFundMe page live for him at the moment. Jump over, give him a bar. We're all looking out for you, Featho. Hope you get back soon. Anyway, so that gives me some time to do some stuff on the bike. I have ordered some parts and some arrived today. So I've got this Samco Sport radiator hose kit with the clamps to match, just so you get your lifetime warranty on it. So this is the thermostat bypass kit. Only reason I've gone for that is just to unrestrict the flow. Apparently it helps. Hey, I'm out for anything to help the bike. So yeah, let's do a little install on them and see how we go. Rip the tank off, rip the seat off, and we'll get some room around this thing. Let's have a quick look at where we're going to go here. So we've got the one single hose from this side, hose down into here, up through here. Alright, so I should just pull out like so. Take all the clamps, everything off it. We're going to drop it down straight like that so we can just see the setup of it and how the new one goes in. Obviously, that's that replacement hose, and this one goes, oh, where are we? That way. Let's get them back on the bike, new clamps. I will go through and just clean any parts up that need it. Alright, so note to self, I've done these before on my last bike. Put your clamps in accessible positions. So like this top connection up here, make sure the clamp is sitting back out towards me, just so once it's up in there, I can get a nice reach on it. Alright, so I've got the hoses on, I've got the coolant in, everything's tidied up, I've checked for leaks, looking good, plenty of clamp room, it's all pretty good. Come around this side, it's tidy. Right, so I did notice one thing, where I put the clamp on this left side, this clamp I did have spun up a lot higher, but the tank comes closer than I thought. Just spun it back down so you can get it from the front side. Alright, so I've got everything fitted back up to the bike. Quick check over, everything is looking good. So, moment of truth, start her up, let's go. Beautiful, everything's looking good. Give it a minute to sit, check over everything again. I think we're all good. So there you have it, legend. Samco Thermostat Delete kit on a GASGAS EC350F 2021. Totally happy with the product, easy to install. Will be interesting to see how it goes without the thermostat, just to see if I notice any difference, I guess. So I'll keep you updated on that one, but totally happy, worth the money, I think. We'll soon find out. Yeah, would buy again, would recommend. So we're still a couple of weeks away from the wheels. I've ordered some kite hubs on DID Dirt Star rims, so that'll be a good one. Once they land, I'll be sure to do a quick video on them and show you all what they look like, and then we'll get back out there on the bike. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what we're doing, give us a like, give us a comment, whatever your thoughts are, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.